this is part 2. Actually, I just wake up. Yeah. Someone, my bestie commented to my video want a part 3, so I'm making a part 3. I met a Cinnamoroll family again. So, let's continue the story. This is part 3. And I said, oh, I have to babysit again them. Well, today I have to go to. I have to feed my cat, but I have no cat food to feed my cat. What should I feed? How about I just take a shower? Go and open that. There we go. Few minutes later. Okay, I'm done. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna brush my teeth. We go this one. Hold it. Hold it. How do I hold it? There we go. And brush, 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 brush. Done. Okay, now let's put it over here. I just want to just walk around outside. And suddenly someone is in my house. Dun dun dun. Yep, the Cinnamoroll family. They know my address. The part 1 video, they know my address. Okay, sorry, I said. So I said. Huh? Oh my God! Why'd you over here? It said. Hi, Summer. I thought this is our house. So, we just come here. I thought this is our house. You can stay here if you want. And Mom said, really, we can stay? Thank you so much. Our house is very, very dirty. Sure, don't make a mess over here. Okay. Do you want to eat? But we have no food. It's okay. We are full. We eat in our home. Okay. They watch some TV. I want to watch TV. Me. Okay. Then. Do you like that? No. Like that? Yes! Okay, just watch some TV there. And the kid just gonna sit over here and just stand up watching. And we just talk and talk. No. And just talk. Well, how girls did, but the dad's just gonna sleep. And suddenly they want not to watch now. We want to play. You can go to my room. We want to play. I said you can go to my room and play with my cat. Okay. Let's wait. Then. Oh my God, a cat! And what's that? Someone just fell. We gotta take me this and this. That's so loud. Oh my god. And they said, wait guys, I'm just gonna go to the bathroom. I'm just going to the bathroom, guys. Wait. Okay guys, I'm done. I just go to the bathroom. I'm sorry about that because I just wake up. Okay. Let's go back to the story. Oh my god, you are so cute. You are so cute. Girl, your glasses. Oh, so cute. Well, they playing with the cat and she's talking and the cat just love the this girl. So I'm going back to the down and hey, do you want to go shopping? Um shop shopping. Yeah, shopping. Do you want to? Sure. I love shopping. Okay. Let give me this and just go to the dad. And the baby's just gonna no gonna say that because the baby is very tired. And the dad said I'm just gonna sleep too. Okay. Wait. Okay. Let's go shopping and let's go. Okay, the music. What should we be shopping? How about let's go to a shop. Let's go here. Let's wait. I think there's a secret here. Oh, I think I already got it. Let me get me. Here we go. Well, I'm gonna get something because there's a secret in this bakery. I have to get a small thing. Never mind, let's go. La 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 la. Here, this is a secret over here. You have to unlock this. Okay. Before we eat, let's find some secrets. Let's find a small thing. I'm just gonna find it. And this is a secret too. This vending machine. I think it's like a vending machine, but it's not. There you go. We find it. And this thing. This is for the door. Where's the small thing? I think this is not it because I already do this hack, but it didn't work. Oh, over here. See? And this door is for the code. What? What door did I have to do? I forgot. Do we need a key card? It looks like we need that. Good. this. Yeah, remember this. I just don't want to, and I'm just gonna leave that thing. I don't know how to find the last one, so let's continue the story. Let's. Well, I said we're going shopping, but are you hungry? Yeah, I'm very hungry. Okay, this is a good idea. Okay, I'm just gonna buy something. What do you want to buy? Oh, anything. Me too. I'm gonna buy anything. Hey. Oh, I I remember this is a secret. So I know I already do this hack. Let's do. Hey, we want some 2 cakes like the rainbow thing. Okay, coming right up. Where's the plates? Here we go. Here we go, ma'am. Let's pretend I just pay. Here we go. It's a 2 cakes for us. Yum 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 yum. Me too. Yum 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 yum. There we go. And we just talk and talk like normal people. And she started laughing because of my funny stories. She started laughing, and 2 minutes later, it's dark. There we go. Oh my God, it's nighttime. We have to go to my home. Yeah, we have to go to our home too. And we just get out of the inn and go back in the house. And they're still here. Go and let's bring it here. Actually, let's bring the kid downstairs. The other one. This one. Oh my God, it's so loud outside. Let's give him here. There we go. Okay guys, bye bye. It's time to sleep na. I'm very tired. Okay, see you next time. I wish we could see you again. Okay, little girl. I said bye. And she said bye. And they all be gone. Tun. Let's go back. Tun, tun, tun. Oh, I forgot the baby. There we go. I'm very tired now. I have to go to bed. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, my kitty. You're very tired now? Okay. My God, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I'm very tired too. My God, our outside is so loud, guys. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching the whole video. Bye guys. Bye.